You don't feel it, but right now, the entire weight of Earth's atmosphere is pressing down on you. Every single square inch of your body endures 14.7 pounds of pressure. This means an average adult is constantly subjected to a staggering 15 to 20 tons of atmospheric force, equivalent to having a small elephant perched on your shoulders, yet you remain completely unharmed. This invisible ocean above us, the atmosphere, is surprisingly thin. 75% of its entire mass is crammed into the lowest 11 kilometers. If Earth were an apple, our entire breathable atmosphere would be thinner than its skin. This delicate, razor-thin veil separates us from the vacuum of space, constantly buffering extreme temperatures and deflecting cosmic dangers. Despite what you might think, the air isn't mostly oxygen. It's a precise cocktail: 78% nitrogen, 21% oxygen, and a mere 0.9% argon. The remaining 0.1%, however, holds a life-or-death secret. Within that tiny fraction, just 0.04% is carbon dioxide, a gas absolutely critical for all plant life and the very force that keeps our planet from freezing solid at an average of -18 degrees Celsius. Our world resides entirely within the troposphere, the atmosphere's lowest layer, stretching only about 12 kilometers high. This is where all Earth's weather unfolds: clouds form, rain falls, and winds blow. It's the densest layer, containing almost all the water vapor and aerosols, making it the dynamic heart of our planet's climate system. Above us, stretching up to 50 kilometers, is the stratosphere, home to Earth's invisible, yet life-saving, ozone layer. Primarily located between 15 and 30 kilometers up, this miraculous shield absorbs 97 to 99% of the sun's most harmful ultraviolet, UV, radiation. Without this fragile molecular barrier, life as we know it would be impossible on land, making surface habitats utterly inhospitable. Next is the mesosphere, extending to about 85 kilometers, which holds the title for the coldest place on Earth, with temperatures plummeting to a bone-chilling -90 degrees Celsius. This frigid layer is our planet's primary defense against celestial invaders. Around 20 million meteors enter Earth's atmosphere daily, and nearly all of them burn up into spectacular shooting stars within the mesosphere, never reaching the surface. Beyond the mesosphere lies the thermosphere, stretching up to 600 kilometers, where temperatures can soar to an astonishing 2000 degrees Celsius. However, due to its extremely low density, it would feel freezing cold because there aren't enough molecules to transfer heat. This is home to the International Space Station, orbiting at roughly 400 kilometers, and where the stunning auroras dance, energized by solar winds. The outermost layer, the exosphere, starts around 600 kilometers and slowly, imperceptibly, fades into the vacuum of space, extending for another 9,000 kilometers. There's no distinct boundary here. Individual atoms of hydrogen and helium simply escape Earth's gravity. It's the final whisper of our atmosphere, where Earth truly begins to merge with the cosmic void. Here's the terrifying twist: if you were suddenly exposed to the vacuum of space without a suit, you wouldn't freeze solid, nor would you instantly explode. Your body's biggest threat would be embolism, where the sudden drop in pressure would cause the water in your blood and tissues to literally boil at body temperature. This creates gas bubbles in your circulatory system, leading to incapacitation and death within minutes, a truly horrific way to go. Our atmosphere wasn't always a protector. Billions of years ago, Earth's air was a toxic cocktail of methane and ammonia, devoid of free oxygen. Then, around 2.4 billion years ago, tiny cyanobacteria began photosynthesizing, pumping oxygen into the atmosphere. This Great Oxidation Event was a catastrophic mass extinction for the anaerobic life forms of the time, effectively killing off most existing life to pave the way for complex, oxygen-breathing organisms, including us. From the crushing pressure that shapes us, to the delicate chemical balance that sustains us, Earth's atmosphere is a continuous, invisible miracle. It's a dynamic shield, a climate controller, and the very breath in our lungs, silently working to both protect and, if its balance is disturbed, potentially destroy life. Understanding this incredible system is crucial, for it's the guardian that makes our blue planet unique in the cosmos.